everyone. Welcome to Oil India Limited Pavilion here at India Energy Week. Going right through the middle of the pavilion, on both sides, we have the immersive Brahmaputra. As we all know, the Brahmaputra is so culturally significant to Assam, and we are so proud to have it here on display in the OIL Pavilion. Learn how Oil India Limited, despite unique challenges of desert environments, unlocked hydrocarbon reserves in regions of Rajasthan. The company's success in desert exploration through cyclic steam simulation technology, the first of its kind in India, showcases its engineering prowess and strategic approach to resource development. Come alive with larger-than-life exhibit of OIL's presence on the frontiers of the Northeast, the deserts of Rajasthan and the lofty seas displayed through full-motion 3D. NRL's presence of being the largest refinery in Northeast India, operating in plains of Assam, and their pioneering endeavor in producing ethanol from bamboo has also been shown. Discover how Oil India Limited has overcome the unique challenges of exploring hydrocarbons from the logistically difficult terrains. Explore Oil India Limited's core business of exploring, producing and transporting hydrocarbons, and gain a comprehensive understanding of the company's technological capabilities. The Wings will take you through a journey of how OIL has been contributing in changing energy economy through a concerted focus in natural gas to realize India's ambition to become a gas-based economy. One can also learn about OIL's endeavors towards ensuring cleaner fuels, the petroleum transportation business, and NRL's forte in producing one of the first waxes from its refinery. Discover how Oil India Limited and Numaligarh Refinery Limited actively engages with local communities near its operational areas through various social welfare projects. Gain insights into Oil India's limited strategic vision for the future of energy in India, highlighting its commitment to driving sustainable growth in the energy sector. Apart from the history timeline of OIL and NRL, the OIL Pavilion features an exclusive exhibit showcasing various rock samples and crude oil obtained through various exploration activities, gaining valuable insights into the geological composition of the regions where OIL operates.